Well, well. Apparently you were too mean, because by the end of the second movie, Alan Rickman, aka Not So Secret Nice Guy, no longer wanted to play you, so J K Rowling had to make up some sappy love thing between you and Harry's mum to keep Ricky Boy in the role. Oops, though, it backfired and made you look like a pathetic weird stalker instead. So what's worse, mean grump who still stands against Voldemort, or weird pathetic stalker who got rejected yet kept loving anyway? Well, it doesn't matter because you got stuck with both. Then this guy ends up playing you in the new series. You just can't catch a break.